It's about that time again. This is probably like one of the least amount of time in between posts ever. But we are playing Obby But Share a Bird Part 2, I guess. I'm gonna try to get to level 8. I'm gonna try to do 4 levels each time. But who knows, maybe you'll just get to 7 at least. Oh wow, there's actually someone, I haven't seen someone in this game. Well, I know that there are people in the game, but I never saw anyone play it, you know? Oh wow, what is this guy talking about? Hi. Okay, this might be, have you watched yes, Steven Universe is a pretty good show. You guys should watch it. Wait, I go this way. Never mind. Let's go. Okay, this guy, I think he's AFK, because, oh my gosh, what? I know no one commented on my last video yet, but I still want to make this, because this game is fun, and I want to make more YouTube videos. I know I'm probably not going to be famous or anything, and if I do end up being famous, it will be in a really long time. Once I actually know how to edit. What are we supposed to do here? Let's just go this. What's this way? Oh, okay, I think. Oh, wait. I'm supposed to get... Oh, okay, never mind. Let's just... So, yeah, we came out of this. Okay, yeah, man. I guess this game actually kind of hard. Let's go. I'm gonna go into the pipe, the green one, like Mario. Also, last video I was talking about ducks. This is a bird game. So, oh, okay. That's weird. Go this way. Okay. Do I go over here? I think so, but that's a hard jump. And there's spikes over here, so I think I only have one choice, so or wait. Okay, yeah, never mind. Oh, okay, so never mind. King Duck. King Duck's part 100. Oh wow. Wait. This is a duck game. Never mind. It's not just birds. Okay. Level 5 felt a lot shorter than level 4. I wonder how much levels there even are. I mean, it goes up like 10 meters each time. So it probably goes to level 10. Because that would be 100. Unless there's more after King Duck's party. Or just other stuff. No, I would prefer if it was by 4s, so that each time I would just do 4 levels. So I kind of don't want it to be 10. Wait, guys. Is this loud? Is this loud, guys? I think I just go around here. Okay, I'm stuck. What am I supposed to do here? The goal is always to get up. So, oh, it's probably something. Wait, did we even go in this? Okay, maybe I just need to, maybe this is better. Oh, okay. So, yeah. What are we supposed to do? I think we're supposed to go on this. Oh, okay. I'm really bad at wall hopping. Forgive me. jump was really bad. Oh, never mind. I didn't even have to wall hop. I mean, I guess this isn't supposed to be really hard or anything. And that's like a Roblox glitch, so... What? Well, there's a torch right there, so it has to be up there, right? Unless... Okay, never mind. Also, you can, like, slow down the falling down by just going onto a wall. Look at that. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, never mind. Because I also have to go against the wall, so... I think it's pretty clear that you have to get onto that little thing. But... how? Oh, okay, that's good. You know, maybe I will have to stop recording at level 7. Or not. Let's see. So... heated bird bath. Does that do anything? Oh. Yeah. Well, I guess that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye, guys, and I died.